So I'm good day guys. In this video we're gonna be talking about while loops. Now what is a while loop? A while loop is simply um, a block of code that allows you to keep doing certain things while a condition remains true. For example, I could say something like b is equal to 6 or b is equal to 10. Then if I want to write my while loop, I'll first start by writing the keyword while. Then my condition, let's say b is um, less than or equal to 10, my semicolon as usual, then print b, print out b. Then I go ahead and run that, and as you can see it's printing out 10 continuously, and it will not stop because b is always going to be either um, less than or equal to 10. But what if I want it to stop at a particular point? I'm gonna say, then when you print out b, do this: b equals to b minus 1, or b equals to b plus 1, b plus 1. Run that, and you can see it's printed 10 once. Why? Because first of all it will check, is b less than or equal to 10? Yes, b is less than or equal to 10. Then it will print out b. Then after printing out b, it will now add 1 to b, and then go ahead and check again. Now my b is no longer 10 at this point on my line 6. My b is now 11. So it will now check, is 11 less than or equal to 10? Yes. 11, no, 11 is greater than 10. So it will not execute again. And that's how while statements work. But if I did something like this, if b is less than or equal to 15, print b. Then I run that, and as you can see it has printed b 1 2 3 up to 6 times. Why? Because at first it will go, is b less than or equal to 15? Yes, because b is equal to 10. It will now print out my b, which is 10, and then increment my b by 1. That means add b 1 to b. Now b is 11. It will now check, is b is less than or equal to 15? Yes. It will now print out my b, which is 11. Then it will now increase it here to 12. Then it will now check, is 12 less than or equal to 15? Yes. 12 is still less than or equal to 15. It will now print out my 12, increment it, and to keep going until it now reaches, let's say, it will now check, is b less than or equal to 15. Let's assume b is 15 now. Yes, b is less than or equal to 15. You now print out 15, which you can see here. Then if you go one more time again, now my b is 16. Is 16 less than or equal to 15? No, 16 is not less than or equal to 15. So it will just stop going through the loop. And that's how while loop works. That's how while loop works. Now remember that this statement here can be shortened using our operators we talk about, our assignment operator. So I could just go and write something like, instead of writing b is equal to b plus 1, let me just comment that. I could just write b plus equals to 1, and this will still increment b by 1. Save that. Now let's go deeper. What if I want the statement to stop executing once b is equal to a certain value? What I'll do is this: I'll say if, of our if statement, if b is equal to, let's say 13, my semicolon, break. Now the break keyword is used to um, end a loop once a certain condition is met. So I'm going to go ahead and run that. As you can see, once it reaches 13, because of this break, it has stopped. What if I want it to not, I don't want it to break, but I just want it to not print out the next one? I'll just go continue, continue, run that, and as you can see, it is repeating it over and over and over and over again. Now let me put my um, increment, my incrementing code, which is this. Let me just cut that out. I'll put it inside my if statement, run that, and as you can see, it's no longer incrementing. Why? Because e is never reaching um, 13. So basically, that's how we use continue, and that's how we use break. Whenever we use continue, it will keep looping around that particular condition. But whenever we use break, it just stops the loop entirely and then continue in your next line of code. So in the next video, we're gonna be looking at for loops, how the for loops work, and how can you use them. What's the difference between a for loop and an if statement? So see you in the next video.